But what are the future prospects and future projects you are coming up in anticipation for the last coming up 5 years?
See, now we are already looking at around 500 to 600 acres of land, out of which 100 acres is already registered in company's name. 120 acres we have recently done an agreement, and balance 300 acres in the same area we have identified land. So mostly by December we will be launching another project which will be about 600 acres.
Okay.
And as the land rate is going up,
Right, sir. Correct.
along with the land rate, if we still continue to keep 36 months installment or 40 months installment, many people will not be able to join us. So what we have done is, this new project what we are launching, it will have 99 months installment.
Oh, great, sir.
99 months installment and less than 10,000 rupees per month installment. And there are attractive schemes for paying in advance, like if somebody wants to pay in 10 months, somebody wants to pay in 24 months. Attractive discounts are also given to the customers who wants to close the installment in advance. They get discount, they can get the plot registered in advance. So all these schemes are also incorporated while going for the new project.
Sir, we really, anybody can appreciate, sir, because you are giving flexibility to a customer to pay. Because somebody able to pay 10,000 rupees, he can able to buy a plot. Because that reliability is there, credibility is there with the organization. In terms of that, are you planning a project for the outright, sir? Any possibility is there?
See, any project is outright. If
Okay.
customer wants to pay outright,
Okay.
so he can pay outright. He will get very good discount.
All right.
Instead of outright, he wants to pay within 6 months. According to 6 months, he will get discount. If the customer wants to pay within 10 months, according to 10 months, he will get discount.
All right. All right. Okay.
See, banks and financial institution, if you take a loan and pre-close it, they will ask you to pay penalty.
Right, sir.
Whereas we are giving them handsome discount.
Right, sir. Right.
And with this discount, what we are trying to do is, we are also able to match our cash flows
Right.
for making payments to the landowners, making payments for the development, making proper payments to our marketing people.
Right, sir.
And one more thing, what is very appreciable about our organization is, since the day we have incorporated this organization, we have ensured that last working day of the month, they get the salary. If last working day falls on a Sunday, the salary will be paid one day in advance. Even in Corona time, we gave 100% salary to all our people.
Oh, great, sir. It's really,
So
we really congratulate for your courtesy and
not only salary,
professional
even
approach.
last year also, full bonus was paid to everybody. And even this year also, full bonus was paid to everyone. And even at the time of Corona in 2020 and 2021, we have a policy of giving 2 increments in a year. Every 6 months, there is an increment policy for our staff members.
Okay.
So even Corona time also, they have been given the increment as it was initially incorporated and suggested. So no facilities has been withdrawn, including medical facilities, whether bonus, leave encashment, all the facilities which we were enjoying before Corona, even at the time of Corona, we have been giving them. Even though we had little bit difficulty for 2-3 months, but again after the Corona was over, as we were selling on installment, we could recover the money from the market, and there was no problem for us also.
Great, sir. Because today what is happening, sir, there are many people in the market are coming forward to buy a plot or to invest in real estate in terms of the installment wise. It is definitely, sir, the viewers definitely will appreciate your curiosity and the strategies what you are implementing, sir. And definitely people will come forward to you. And point number 2, sir, can you brief about the Hyderabad real estate market in terms of growth parameters or the development parameters?
See, even when we look at Hyderabad real estate market, we are most affordable compared to any other city.
Right, sir.
And the living standard, what you get in Hyderabad, is much better than many of the metros. Even Bombay, Delhi, or any other metro doesn't have the facility what Hyderabad has got. See, today Hyderabad has got a metro rail. Hyderabad roads are one of the best. Hyderabad, you have sufficient open area. Hyderabad, even water scarcity, with all the government's efforts, I don't say one particular government, whatever government was in place, so they have been improving the water facilities.
Right,
And
sir.
now, each and every village, water is available. Each and every village, electricity is available. So all these things contribute to the growth of the real estate as well as the state itself, and employment generation also would be good. As and when the employment generation is good, you will have real estate also booming all the time.
Right, sir, absolutely.
See, when we talk about Bombay, all such places, today there are places in Mumbai which is selling at 60 to 70,000 rupees per square feet. Today, Hyderabad, the highest rate would be about 15,000. That
Right,
means
sir, right.
we are only about 20% of the rate of Bombay or some other metro city. So there is no looking back for Hyderabad real estate.
Right.
Only thing is, people have to be doing a good job. They should be delivering the project in time. These are most important for any developer. Once they start doing it, Hyderabad market will have no problem. Only thing is, Hyderabad real estate people should ensure that the wrong kind of people should not be allowed into real estate.